भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासु निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो तृप्तो दुर्धरोऽथा पराजितः. This verse glorifies Bhagwan Vishnu as the eternal support, sustainer, and unconquerable ruler of the universe. Bhuta Vasaha means he is the dwelling place of all beings, while Vasudevaha signifies the Supreme Bhagwan who resides in every heart. As Sarvasu Nileha, he is the source and resting place of all life energies. Analaha represents his limitless power and divine radiance that can never be exhausted. The next names reveal his role in shaping human character and destiny. Darpaha is the destroyer of arrogance, teaching humility to those blinded by pride. Darpaha grants confidence, honor, and strength to the righteous. Draptaha reflects his majestic sovereignty and supreme glory. Durdaraha signifies that his infinite nature cannot be fully comprehended or contained by the mind. Finally, Aparajitaha proclaims him as the one who can never be defeated by any force in creation. For devotees, this shloka is a reminder that true strength comes from surrendering to the divine. Bhagwan Vishnu is both the source of life and the ultimate victor, guiding seekers towards humility, courage, and spiritual realization. विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिश्शताननः. This verse glorifies Bhagwan Vishnu as the supreme reality who manifests in countless forms while remaining beyond all forms. Names such as Vishwamurti, the cosmic form, Mahamurti, the great form, and Deeptamurti, the radiant form, reveal his presence throughout the universe. At the same time, Amurtiman reminds us that Bhagwan transcends physical appearance and cannot be limited by any single image. The names Anekamurti and Shatamurti emphasize that he appears in innumerable forms to guide and protect creation. Avyakta signifies his unmanifest, invisible nature beyond human perception, while Shatanana symbolizes his infinite vision and awareness through countless faces. This shloka teaches that the divine is both visible and invisible, personal and cosmic. By meditating on these names, devotees develop a deeper understanding of Bhagwan's limitless presence in every aspect of existence. एको नैकः स्तवः किं यत्तत्पदमनुत्तमं लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः. This verse reveals the profound mystery of Bhagwan Vishnu's nature. He is Ekaha, one, the single supreme reality behind all existence. Yet Naikaha, many, appearing in countless forms throughout creation. The names Kaha, Kim, Yat, Tat symbolize the eternal truth sought by sages through inquiry, meditation, and spiritual wisdom. Padamanuttamam declares him as the highest and unsurpassed goal of human life, the ultimate destination beyond all worldly achievements. As Lokabandhu and Lokanatha, he is the friend, protector, and Bhagwan of all beings, guiding the universe with compassion and justice. The name Madhava signifies the consort of Lakshmi and the source of divine knowledge and prosperity. Finally, Bhaktavatsala highlights his boundless love for devotees, assuring that sincere devotion always attracts his grace. This shloka teaches that the Supreme Bhagwan is both the ultimate truth and the loving guardian who remains ever close to those who remember him with faith. सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चंदनांगदी वीरः विषमः शून्यो घृताशीरचलश्चलः. This verse glorifies Bhagwan Vishnu as the embodiment of divine beauty, strength, and transcendence. Suvarnavarnaha and Hemangaha describe him as radiant like pure gold, symbolizing spiritual brilliance and eternal purity. Varangaha praises his perfectly divine form, while Chandanangadi depicts him adorned with sacred sandalwood and celestial ornaments. The verse then shifts to his cosmic power, Viraha signifies the destroyer of evil and arrogance, protecting righteousness whenever it is threatened. Vishamaha indicates that no one is equal to him, emphasizing his supreme and incomparable nature. Shunyaha points to his transcendence beyond material limitations and worldly attributes. The final names reveal a profound philosophical truth. Ghrtashihi portrays him as the source of nourishment, blessings, and prosperity. Achalaha means the unchanging eternal reality, while Chalaha shows him as the dynamic force moving the entire universe. Thus, Bhagwan Vishnu is both the immutable absolute and the ever active sustainer of creation.